we are looking at how to pronounce this Irish and Scottish Gaelic name, as well as how to say correctly more unclear Irish names like Saoirse, Caoimhe or Niamh. But how do you go about pronouncing this one? It's actually way easier and straightforward than you think. Tadhg. Just the spelling is confusing. Tadhg. Tadhg. Pretty straightforward once you know, right? Tadhg. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more Irish names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.